Passenger princess today. My driving instructor was there, but he just went down to talk to a student. And he says I was very good. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Because yesterday, Kim was teaching me how to drive in the village, but there were so many cars and I was scared. But today we have a pretty good space. So I parallel park. Thanks, sir. I just got out of parallel. Hi, I'm early today. It's day 2. I'm at Starbucks today. Okay, I am here again. Okay, I hope I remember what I did yesterday at the gasoline station. Oh, okay. God guide me. Road Commonwealth and dealt with jeeps, buses, trucks, and pedestrians. Luckily, not pedestrians, but it's raining, and I did it! Oh my gosh, the car died like twice or thrice. Once at an intersection. We're alive! We're alive! I got to park nose in and nose out, and also get out of them both. I'm gonna cry. I am done, but I'm at Starbucks again because I'm getting Americano for my instructor to say thank you, a little thank you, and maybe some donuts for the rest of people in the office. Time to go house. We passed our practical driving.